Hi, I'm Michael. I'm here to show you how to use UNGER's professional cleaning tools correctly and to answer any questions you may have on topics relating to professional window cleaning. Today, I'll explain how a HydroPower RO filter from UNGER works. First of all, where and when do you use a HydroPower RO filter from UNGER? If you work in areas with hard or very hard water, or work a lot and regularly with pure water. Conventional tap water contains dissolved solids such as minerals, which leave limescale and salt residues on glass surfaces, for example. Pure water, on the other hand, is water in its purest form. It is created by removing the minerals' impurities from it. These are referred to as TDS, total dissolved solids, and are measured in ppm. This means parts per million. These solids are ions, i.e., positively or negatively charged particles. They become dirt particles when the water evaporates. These can be removed with pure water. Water is considered pure when it is 100% demineralized, and its TDS value is therefore 0 ppm. In this state, it dissolves dirt particles, which then simply flow away with the water, leaving sparkling, streak-free results. The remaining water droplets dry off the surface without leaving any residue. The HydroPower RO filters from UNGER can produce large quantities of pure water using reverse osmosis. But what exactly is reverse osmosis? To understand this, we first need to take a look at osmosis. Osmosis is a balancing process and works like this. When two liquids with different concentrations, for example of minerals, are separated from each other with a semi-permeable membrane, there is initially a concentration imbalance that automatically tries to equalize. However, as the semi-permeable membrane does not allow large particles, such as ions, to pass through, an osmotic pressure is created on the more concentrated side of the membrane. Water flows through this pressure from the side with the lower concentration to the side with the higher concentration until the difference in concentration is equalized. So what is reverse osmosis? As the name suggests, it is the reverse of natural osmosis. If a pressure higher than the osmosis pressure is generated in a system, for example by a high-pressure electric pump, the water is forced to flow through the membrane against the osmotic pressure. This removes almost all ions on the pure water side of the membrane, resulting in almost pure H2O. To produce pure water, UNGER also adds further pre- and post-filters to its RO filters. This further increases the degree of purity of the osmosis water to ensure perfect cleaning results every time when cleaning glass. With the HydroPower RO filters from UNGER, the entire reverse osmosis filtration process is divided into 3 steps. Before the raw water, i.e. the tap water, enters the reverse osmosis system, it must first be pre-cleaned in the pre-filter to remove large particles or impurities that could damage the main filter, the membrane. The pre-filter is a combination filter that acts as a sediment filter to remove all suspended particles from the tap water and at the same time removes chlorine with its activated carbon. The main filter is a wound semi-permeable membrane that reverses the natural osmosis process under pressure, as we learned earlier. An electric high-pressure pump is now used here. The pre-filtered water is fed under pressure to the coiled semi-permeable membrane and forced through it with the pressure generated, so the larger ions cannot pass through the membrane. This results in an excess of pure water on the inner side of the membrane, which is drained off and later used for cleaning after further filtering. On the outer raw water side, the water with an increased ion concentration is drained off and disposed of. If used correctly, this process can be repeated many times and carried out over a long period of time without changing the membrane. Up to 98% of the ions are removed by this point. As the membrane allows a small proportion of ions to pass through, the last step is to use a DI filter as a post-filter, which removes 100% of the ions from the incoming water. You can find out exactly how this happens in our video about the HydroPower DI filter from UNGER. This gives you 100% pure water to achieve perfect cleaning results and the certainty that you are using a highly efficient cleaning method with your HydroPower RO filter. For further information and more videos about pure water cleaning, head to our YouTube channel. Simply subscribe and don't forget to turn on notifications.